Hey guys, I'm Harsh here. Welcome back to yet another video. So today I'll share my opinions on Acer Aspire 7 2021. It's a simple looking laptop which can be used for gaming and is quite powerful when compared to any ultrabooks or notebooks of this range. Its last gen models were also providing good value for money and it was a popular choice. This time I think that this laptop can become one of the most selling gaming laptops. Reasons? Because it's targeted towards larger audience. We'll talk about it. It's budget friendly and there are not many choices out there. Now without wasting any further time, let's hop into the video. The build quality of 2021 model is same when compared to last gen ones. The laptop is made up of plastic and the build is quite average. The plastic covers and panel is of good thickness, though it is having some flex which is quite common. The finishing of laptop isn't that great, nor is it bad. Surprisingly, the keyboard is kinda good and has wide backlit, which adds to the simplicity. Overall, the laptop looks good, feels like any other average laptop, and is also not that bad when we see the durability. The hinges will start getting looser or tighter after some time, like any other laptop, cause it is also made up of plastic. In the left side, it has got a Kensington lock, LAN port, HDMI 2.0, Type-C USB 3.2 and two USB 3.2 Type-A with one offline port. On the right side, we'll get power input, USB 2.0 and a headphone mic combo port. It doesn't have a card reader. Other than this, the ports are fine. Nothing special to be honest. Also, it has got Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and a 720p webcam. The display has got 60Hz refresh rate. It is a full HD display with 250 nits brightness, 45% NTSC coverage, and it has not got any flickering issue. Everything is good in the display except the brightness, which is a bit low. In indoors, you won't face any problems. This laptop comes with AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor paired with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GDDR6 graphics card with 4GB of VRAM. Other than this, it has got 512GB of SSD with 2 slots and 8GB of RAM, which will be upgradable up to 32GB. The laptop weighs 2.15 kg and will roughly weigh 2.5 kg along with AC adapter. Now the question arises that which CPU is better, Ryzen 5 4600H or Ryzen 5 5500U. So I'll not take much time. In single core performance, 5500U wins. In multi-core also 5500U wins. It's more power efficient and consumes less energy. The only thing in which 4600U wins is base frequency. 5500U has base 2.1 GHz and boost 4 GHz clock speed, whereas 4600H has base 3.0 and boost 4 GHz clock speed. I would say if you are a casual gamer, you can go for 5500U. The laptop has got a 3-cell 48W battery and 135W AC adapter. The adapter isn't super fast. It's like any other common laptop charger. Company claims that it will provide us 10 hours of battery backup, but in reality, it will only provide 4.5 or 5 hours of battery backup on normal usage, which is quite good when we compare it with other gaming laptops. This laptop comes with a power efficient CPU, that's why the backup is good. The laptop will take approximately 2 hours to charge completely. The laptop has not got a good thermal design, but still, it will only start throttling after 2 hours of gaming because of the power efficient CPU and less powerful GPU. It is ideal for casual gamers. I won't compare everything cause the video will become very long. I'll simply say if you are a student or you want a good battery backup, then go for Aspire. Also Aspire will run cooler. You should only go with Ideapad if you wanna play games regularly. I would still say if you are a student, casual gamer or you want a laptop for office work, go with Acer. I have already told these, but still I'll clearly mention. that its display has bad brightness, which is obviously not so good for outdoor use. You can't do gaming on it for long hours, maximum 1 or 2 hours a day, and you won't be able to do 4K editing. That's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did, then do like and share it. Also don't forget to comment. And if you didn't, then feel free to drop a dislike and comment, just for the sake of YouTube's algorithm. Thank you, see ya.